Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of ND9003 Microdermabrasion machine. It absorbs blackheads, removes dead skin, improves acne, reduces oil, cleanses skin, reduces acne, etc. There are two adjustable suction gears. Press and hold for 2 seconds to switch on. In order to show the effect directly, now test it on hand. The first gear suction power is small. The second gear suction power is moderate, power more than the first gear. Demo of replacing the suction head. Replace after taking out the suction head. Cleaning introduction. Remove the suction tip and replace the filter cotton or gaster. Charging introduction. Remove the charger and connect to the base, then start charging. Welcome to watch the introduction video of the use and efficacy of ND9003 Microdermabrasion machine.